It's a orange chest and an orange on the head. Finch bird. It's so pretty. Look how pretty that is. You just can't see it. Starling birds are busy and aggressive, and they're a fighter. Si Marcy Green, babayaran kita mamaya. Si Marcy Green, kasama ka na doon sa mga paliparan ko. So, hintay lang kayo guys. Medyo delay lang ako. I wish na pwede si Ichay lahat magbayad. Kaso sabi ko pagka mga dito sa US, ako na ang magbigay. Pero yung iba, siya na ang magpalipad. So, next time baka gawin ko nga siya na lang magpalipad lahat. Kasi may mga utal-utal palagi eh. Just like 675 pesos. Instead of $6.75, I put in $7. You know? Yes, si Marcy Green, may panalo ka naman, oy. Sisi, nananalo ka naman. Sa membership ba, Sisi? Marcy Green, pag member ka sa channel ko, you're automatically winner. You automatically win. So, pag member ka sa channel ko, may panalo ka na. Pag hindi ka naka-attend, Sisi, 50 pesos panalo mo. Pero kung maka-attend ka, 75 pesos. Pero kung higher level ka, ginawa ko 100 kasi dahil Christmas. Pero babalik tayo sa 75, 50. Oh yes, si Marcy Green, no worries. Thank you so much for the membership. Actually, lahat ng mga members, mga bayad ninyo, naibabalik sa inyo lahat. Kasi pinapalipad ko, di ba? Ay, yung membership recognition. So all my members, everything that you paid for, you get it back. Wala naman ako nakukuha dyan na mga sahod ko dyan. I don't keep any of my pay from YouTube. I give it all back to the community. You guys know that. Noon pa yan, everything that I get paid from YouTube, I give it back to the community. I don't keep not even centavo. I don't keep any of it. I give it back to you guys. Siguro pag nabalik na ang Philippine Islands Adventure, kasi malaki ang sahod noon. Pag nakabalik na yon, siguro meron na ako mahawakan na pera na kahit konti. Pero as of now, abonado ako palagi, pero no worries lang. Oo, si Marcy Green. Live ka lang, live mo, silent mo palagi si. Ganong ginagawa ko namin. Silent live. Just do the silent live, you know. And you'll get your watch hours. It takes a while, but it will get there. So, tiyaga lang talaga, tiyaga lang. You know what? What I noticed also is that even though Pia Short is small subscribers, pero malaki ang kita ni Pia Short. Hindi sa subscriber tayo kumikita ng malaki, kundi sa views. Remember that, guys. Subscriber is not a revenue. Okay? It's the views, the super chat, super stickers, super thanks, and memberships and sponsor whatever is the only way for us to earn revenue in YouTube. It's not the subscribers. So, wag kayo masyado dyan kunti lang subscribers yun. No. Just keep uploading. Just keep uploading. So, it's not the subscribers that's bringing you the revenue. It's not. So, yun ang sinasabi ko sa inyo lahat dyan. Na hindi sa subscriber tayo kumikita, kundi sa views. At saka sa AdSense, sa super chat, super sticker, super thanks, sa merchandise, sa membership. Oh my gosh, there's that. Oh my gosh. Teka muna guys, teka